October. I joined Parable Videos. I'm Milton, son of Carpenter Mary. Daddy Carpenter worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. I'm the son of Carpenter Mary. I get to tell parables, all these public. YouTube.com/DNFD series. I guess that's the playlist. Join parables. The best parables for the day put together as one video for ease of upload and re-upload. Oh, download. Upload yourself. Come see me in person. Have wit, will travel. Show me the perfect place to build. Jesus' Immaculate House. That's that religious censorship you see. When you can't reach me by phone, and you have no idea when else your phone won't be allowed to work, and those hijacking your calls to me are worried enough about it to alter phone records covered up. Get that on video. Right now, 424-229-4140. A B-list parables, yes. Sugar Chicks, I think, here. Long-winded, but with anything extra put with them. Joined as one parable and in this big playlist. Check and post at 424-229-4140. Make that video of America's Hijacked Lifelines. Oh yeah, you can download, re-upload, and this, that, Mormons beware. We don't like you casing our homes, our neighbors' homes, where we're hard at work. We don't like you preying on our elderly neighbors. All of America is armed with phones like this one in my hand, making videos of the LDS, Latter-day Saints, crimes and character across the country. You can print that out through youtube.com/DNFD series. Do that. I'm Mel, son of Carpenter Mary. Daddy Carpenter worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann, and I just finished up my joint parables. I'm suffering from insulin poisoning. End of September and all of October. Yes, I've been telling you about those 93 chicks checking your phone. Not one 9/11 Flight 93 chick that you picking up your phone, trying to call me, and knowing it works all the time. Not one in over a decade of asking that has me with insulin poisoning. And gold is in the shop. This is the loaner. The electric wheelchair, man, I gotta charge it today. And yeah, as a lot of folks trying to call me, 424-229-4140, certified mail. That's the date, the folder it's from, and the joint parable of several of those parables. B-list can be my son of Carpenter Mary Sugar Chick. Check it out and come see me in person. I'm Melton, John Melton Brady, and these are my A-list, finishing off from 21 to 31 October. Hey, I've been suffering from insulin poisoning for telling you about your hijacked lifeline. Not one 9/11 Flight 93 chick can't reach me right now. You have no idea when else your phone won't be allowed to work. I bet you can guess it's going to be just as newsworthy as me asking with a whole lot of graphic art and videos over the past decade plus where that first 9/11 Flight 93 chick and not getting one. So make that video of those hijacking your calls to me are word enough about to alter phone records covered up. Get on video, Trump and Hussein's phone gate. Oh, a whole lot of other phone gates as well. But yeah, instead of uploading one at a time, I did a whole lot of parable bites for my beds last month and this month, and these are joined for the day. It's a whole lot easier to upload. Re-upload too.